Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best built wall safes on the market, perfect for safeguarding your valuables. This fireproof in-wall safe by GUVELI is designed for both security and convenience. This wall safe is engineered with heavy-duty steel construction, weighing 36 pounds. It's built to last, featuring a powder-coated finish for scratch resistance and durability. Protect your documents and valuables with confidence. The GUVELI safe is designed to withstand high temperatures, ensuring your items remain intact in case of fire. With dimensions of 33.46 inches in height, 3.93 inches in depth, and 14.57 inches in width, it fits snugly between 16-inch studs. Ideal for discreetly mounting behind framed artwork or within a closet. The safe features motorized deadbolt locking mechanisms, providing robust protection against unauthorized access. It includes emergency keys and a combination lock for secure entry. Equipped with 3 removable shelves and key hooks, the interior is lined with fleece to prevent scratches on your valuables. The shelves allow for organized storage of cash, jewelry, and more. Whether you're looking to secure important documents, jewelry, or other valuables, the GUVELI wall safe offers peace of mind with its sturdy construction and fireproof capabilities. Its flush mount design ensures discreet placement in your home or office. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, fireproof in-wall safe that blends security with convenience, look no further than the GUVELI wall safe. It's designed to protect what matters most, offering robust security features and ease of installation. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and product insights. Until next time, stay safe and secure with your purchases. See you soon.